Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy, and in today's video we're going to be making rice and aloe vera hair mask for unstoppable massive thicker hair growth. So if you're interested, keep watching. Now, to make this aloe vera and rice hair mask, we are going to be using some rice. Here I'm using basmati rice. It's about a quarter cup, and then we're going to be using some aloe vera. We must never stop the way, yeah. Now we are going to wash the rice. Wash it properly, place in a pot and bring to a boil. I like to boil this until the rice is soft and mushy. Then I bring it out from heat and let it cool. While the rice is cooling, we are going to extract the aloe vera gel. So what I do is I first cut out the amount of aloe vera I need, and then I cut off the spiky sides, wash the aloe vera, and then cut it open to scoop out the gel with a spoon. Aloe vera promotes hair growth. It helps to balance the pH of the scalp. It removes itchy scalp. Aloe vera reduces scalp redness and inflammation. Aloe vera also easily penetrates the hair and scalp, thereby nourishing the hair and scalp from the inside. Aloe vera also have antifungal properties that alleviate dandruff. Now, after scooping out the aloe vera gel, we are now going to add the rice to the aloe vera gel. I'm going to blend with a hand blender. So I just start blending the rice and aloe vera with this hand blender. You can also use your normal blender to blend the aloe vera and rice. So I blend, and if it's too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water. I wanted my rice and aloe vera mask to be a little bit runny, so I added more water to my mask, and blended everything together. I wanted it to be a little bit runny because of the applicator bottle I'm going to use to apply the mask. I didn't want it too thick so that it will flow freely from the applicator bottle. Once I'm satisfied with how smooth the mask is, I'm now going to pour into a filter bag to filter. In here, I'm using this wig stocking cap to filter my rice and aloe vera mask. You can use whatever filter bag you have. You can use a cheesecloth or something of that nature. Just feel free to use what you have. It's really important to sieve this mask because you don't want particles of aloe vera or rice stuck in your hair. Like, those things can be really annoying. So I just like to filter my mask to remove whatever fiber or whatever that can get stuck in my hair, so that I can have a very smooth consistency. After filtering the mask, I'm now going in to add some oils. So here I'm adding a tablespoon of my homemade cloves oil. Next, I added a tablespoon of my homemade carrot oil, and finally I added a tablespoon of onion oil. I'll put the links of how I made these oils in the description box below. Also, feel free to use whatever oil you have available in your home. You can just use plain olive or sunflower oil, or just whatever oil you have. Don't necessarily have to use the exact ones I use. I just use these ones because I have them available, and these are the ways I like to incorporate different hair growth oils into my hair regimen. So guys, here we have our yummylicious rice and aloe vera hair mask. This hair mask is the truth. You need to try this. Like, the sleep it gives to the hair is on another level, and the moisture, my god, like, this thing is so moisturizing. It makes your hair so soft immediately you apply it. Like, this mask is the truth. It's a must try. I tell you guys, it's a must try. Right here, I'm applying the rice and aloe vera mask on Ivy's hair. She's 2 years old right now. Here, her hair is clean but dry, so I went ahead to wet the hair with water and then apply the aloe vera and rice mask in little sections. I really like this applicator bottle. It's an applicator bottle for hair dye, but right now it's my favorite applicator bottle for hair masks. So I apply a generous amount of the rice and aloe vera mask and work that into her hair and scalp. I also detangle as I am doing that. Rice is an excellent detangler. Aloe vera is also an excellent detangler. And both of them combined together, like, the sleep is amazing. It gives a great sleep for detangling natural hair. Now, let me give a little benefit of rice mask for hair. Rice promotes hair growth because it's rich in amino acids that support hair regeneration. Rice also cleanses hair of impurities without slipping and drying the hair strands. It also strengthens the hair and prevents damage and split ends. It also increases shine. Rice makes hair stronger. Rice also makes hair a lot smoother. Rice contains vitamin C, B, and E that help to promote hair growth and nourish the hair and follicles. So I make sure to coat every strand of Ivy's hair with the rice and aloe vera mask. Coat everywhere, the hair strands, also the scalp. I also massage it into the scalp because rice and aloe vera are also excellent for scalp health. They help to detoxify the scalp. I'm massaging the rice and aloe vera mask into her scalp. We also help to unclog her pores. The massaging sensation itself will also help blood to flow to the scalp and nourish the hair follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. This mask is the truth, guys. This is a must try. The sleep is excellent. The smoothness it gives to hair, the way it makes the hair easily detangle, the way it softens the hair, and the benefits packed in aloe vera and rice, guys. This is a must try. Like, if you do this mask, you want to do it every single wash day. I'm telling you, it is the truth.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So that's it, guys, for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section below. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any, and see you in my next video. Bye.